Galapagos tortoises are the largest tortoises in the world. Some can weigh 400 pounds or 180 kilograms. About as heavy as a motorcycle, they can live more than 100 years or 170 years. They walk very slowly, usually less than 1 kilometer per hour, but they can travel long distances looking for food. They live on the Galápagos Islands, a group of islands in the Pacific Ocean near Ecuador. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a Galapagos tortoise. Start by drawing a circle right here. Make sure to draw gently or it will be hard to erase after this video. Or if you don't know how to draw a circle, you can use the 4 marks method, or you can trace anything that has a circular edge, like a bottle cap, or even some kind of coin. This circle will be the base of the body, or the first part. Next, draw a curve here. The size of this shell the curved lines will represent the size of the shell, meaning that we don't draw them too long. Then draw a curve going down and connecting the bottom part of the circle. Next, draw this small circle. So that represents the head. The more the circle is too far away from the body, the longer the neck will be. Also, don't forget to pause the video if you make a mistake. Then, add a curve going down to the neck. And another curve going down and connecting the bottom part of the shell. Also, don't make the muzzle too long. Then, now for the legs, add a curve going down, then add a line here. Now draw another curve, then 2 diagonal lines. Then add a curve, then add a vertical line here. Just put the curve in between the vertical line and the diagonal line. And that is it for our initial sketch. Now let's move on to the final drawing. then go up, go here, then add this curve here to make room for the legs. Now, time to draw the legs. First, draw a curve. Start to go down. Then go down here by adding a curve. Add this tiny little triangle. Then start to add this. Now it's time to add some U shape, then add a curve on the top to make the toes. Just add 4 toes here. Then add this line, then start to go back up. Then add a curve right over here. That's it for the first leg. Now let's go to the second leg, which is at the back. Add a curve. Let's start to add another wavy line here. Then add a curve by stopping this. Then add another curve. Then add 4 U shapes. Again. Then add some curves for the toes. Then don't forget to add a curve. Start to go down. And then add a curve here. Now, for this, the neck, add this curve here. Then start to go down and connect the neck to the whole rest of the body. Then afterwards, draw a wavy line. Then add another wavy line and connect it to this part of the leg. Then, now draw a curve. Add another curve, then go up. Add this curve, then add another one, then the last one. Now, finally, draw this part here. Now for the last leg, draw this part here. Then start to go down. Then draw a curve. Now let's add some patterns to the tortoise. No tortoise has the same pattern, so you can do whichever pattern you want, but don't just follow me. Then add some of the patterns and one of the pentagons of the tortoise's shell. Now this will be finally called the Galápagos tortoise. But there are several different species that you can explore. Then add a U shape here. Add a few more lines and dots. And that's it for the Galápagos tortoise. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you want more animal videos, and I'll see you later in the next one. And please check out the facts in the description below.